Hello everyone, I am Seema Podrick and today I have removed the card for Bigg Boss contestant Rubina and Shardul. These are the two spreads, that is for Shardul and Rubina, and the cards are saying that Shardul will be evicted from the show finally. Rubina will continue in the show and it's a game, so yes, Shardul, even we have heard you saying that I will be going, and even the cards are indicating that yes, you will be leaving the show. So let's see. What I have done is I have also shuffled a few angel cards for you and for Rubina. So let me check what are the messages from the angels for both of you. So the first card I would remove for Shardul. Shardul, this is the message for from your angels to believe in yourself. This is your angelic message. Believe in yourself. So when you receive this card, the angel wants you to see yourself and your potential because they can see that, and they view you as an unlimited person with infinite potential. So right now the most important thing you can do is realize this for yourself, and when you have difficult situation, just ask the angels to release any doubt of fear you have about your life, and this doubt will be cleared off, because what happens is you are strongly affected by the negative energies. So you have to just ask help from the angels. By believing in yourself, you are telling the angels that you wish to live up to your full potential in your life. So they will definitely and immediately come and guide you accordingly. So just trust, just believe yourself, all will be good. So no need to be sad if you are evicted, and all the best to you. Now I'll check the card, the angel message for Rubina. The angel message for Rubina is self-reflection. So Rubina, this is the message from the angel for you, that is self-reflection. When you get this card in a reading, self-reflection, this card asks you to review your life. It is so easy to look back on your actions and feel guilt for things you have done in the past to upset others. But that time has passed, and now you don't need to bring that energy with you going forward. So just see yourself as a divine soul who is doing the absolute best you can, given the circumstances of your existence. So you will do very good, and admit what's most important to you and ask the angels to guide you to these goals and wishes. All the best, Rubina, and thank you everyone. If you like this reading, please subscribe to my channel for more such readings. Thank you.